All right, here's our fifth problem. It says, determine the maximum length of the number 14 cable to be installed from the bus to the equipment of a 28 volt system with a 20 amp intermittent load. So we need to know this intermittent load and a 1 volt drop. All right, so intermittent means we're going to be on curve above curve 3. So here's curve 3. We just need to make sure that our intersection is above curve 3. All right, so we have 28 volts, a 1 volt drop, which is built into the column, right? So we're going to be using this column here. So we don't need to worry about that 1 volt drop. It's built in here at the bottom. And then we have a 20 amp load, and it is a number 14 wire size. Okay, so we have the correct column we're going to use. We know we need to be above curve 3, and we have 14. So here's our 14, right? Our 14 is going to be here. So we are determining the length. So we want to know the length. So we're going to get the number inside the column. We also have one last piece of information is 20 amps. Remember, our amps are running diagonal here. So we're going to go through until I intersect. These two lines intersect, right? And I notice I'm above curve 3, so this is fine. And I'm going to just take it directly straight across. It's going to be in between these two numbers here. So it'd be in between 16 and 18. Therefore, this number would be 17 feet. So what we just figured out was that with 20 amp load in a wire with an intermittent rating, knowing the wire size is 14, for this wire to be safe, the longest distance we could run it would be 17 feet.